Hi everyone, looking at question 2 on our homework due Tuesday, November 26th, and our problem is Kayla has saved $200 towards a trip to visit colleges. If she needs more than $600 to pay for the trip, how much more money does she need to save? Write, solve, check, and graph the inequality. So I'm going to read that again. This time I'm going to annotate the problem. I want you to be annotating the problem while I'm going through it. And be looking for this on your homework. So it says Kayla has saved $200, that's our first value, towards a trip to visit colleges. If she needs more than $600, remember we worked with these today, the more than, at least those kinds of word phrases. More than $600, there's our second number, pay for the trip. How much more money does she need to save? So that's going to be a variable, the amount of more money that Kayla needs to save. Write, solve, check, and graph the inequality. So, as I said, our variable, x, is going to be equal to the amount of money that Kayla still needs to save. Handwriting is not going to be perfect here. I'm using a mouse. Money. We're going to say money to be saved. And that's how much more money Kayla needs to save in order to pay for her trip to visit colleges. So money to be saved. So Kayla already has $200. And she needs to save X amount more dollars in order to get more than $600 to pay for the trip. So now our inequality is 200 plus X. There's going to be some kind of inequality symbol here, and $600. Now our options for an inequality symbol are greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. So if Kayla needs to save more than $600, we know that 200 plus X has to be greater than 600. So you can immediately eliminate the less than or equal to. And if we need to save more than $600, that means that $600 is not going to be an answer to our problem. So we can get rid of the greater than or equal to. Another inequality is going to be 200 plus x is greater than $600. So from here, this is a one-step inequality that we know how to solve. So we're going to subtract our constant from both sides. Right here is our constant. Subtract 200 from both sides. 200. Take that away from both sides. It's going to be isolating for a variable, x. Subtract 200, we get x, and 600 minus 200 is going to be 400. Excellent. And our inequality symbol, because we're subtracting by a constant, we're not multiplying or dividing by a negative number, is going to remain the same. So Kayla has to save greater than $400 in order to go on the trip there. And this is going to be the solution to our inequality. X is greater than $400. To graph the inequality, we're going to make our number line. Going to put 400 here. And we're going to put a circle over the 400, and all values greater than 400 are going to go there. So X is going to be greater than $400, and this is going to be our graph. To check this problem, I'm going to use one true number and one false number. So a number outside of our solution set, they'll make this inequality incorrect. We're going to set X equal to $0. So we're going to get 200 plus 0 is greater than 600, which just simply gives us 200 is greater than 0. Or sorry, 200 greater than 600, which is just incorrect. So now that X equals 0 cannot be a solution to our inequality. And our second check is going to be with a number that is greater than 400. So let's set that equal to 500. 500. And 200 plus 500 is going to be greater than 600. And 200 plus 500 is 700, which is going to be greater than 600, which is going to make our inequality correct. Therefore, we know that Kayla needs to save more than $400 in order to save up enough money to visit colleges. Awesome. Thank you much for watching, and I'm going to make one more video tonight. Please check that one out as well.